Hello, welcome to a short how-to video on how to submit a 3D printing fabrication request at the IdeaForge. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the IdeaForge website and click on the Fabrication button on our homepage. From here, you can see that we have multiple types of fabrication requests available: 3D printing, laser cutting, machine shop, and wood shop, along with an FAQ. Once we click on 3D printing, it will take us to the Rapid Prototyping Lab page. You can see information here about the type of equipment we have available, and also a few notes about submitting a request. If you're not sure what you'd like to 3D print or you need help developing your idea, you can schedule a meeting with Byron, and he'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, if you're ready to submit, go ahead and click on Submit Fabrication Request. From here, fill out all of the information in this form. At the beginning, contact information. You can also click the plus button to add a second contact if you need to. Requested completion date. Please pick a reasonable date. We'll do our best to get your print done as soon as possible, but there may be a few folks in line ahead of you. Department and course information. This just helps us understand who's using our equipment and helps us better coordinate our needs. Then you upload your file. You'll upload an STL file for all 3D print requests. If you need to upload more than one file in the same job, you can zip them together. Following that, select your printer and then the type of material that you need. Here, you can input the size and scaling information, including the size of your print and your percent infill. You can request a color here, and we'll do our best to accommodate that color. Under description of request, please just give us a brief explanation of what you're printing. If you're submitting a print of a Millennium Falcon and the file uploaded is accidentally a TIE fighter, you might be disappointed at the end. So please just give us a quick description so we're all on the same page. Here, you can put any additional comments. As far as payments, if this is for coursework, we only charge the cost of material. So you will get a quote for your job before we start printing it, and you will be able to approve it. Once you're done, please press Submit Request, and we will process your request. You will get email updates every time your request changes status. In the meantime, if you have any questions, you can reach out to any of us at the IdeaForge, and we'll be happy to help you.